Hello friends. Welcome to my fashion makeup and hair box channel. Today we will talk about how to use coconut oil for acne. Part 1. Determining if coconut oil is right for your skin. Determine your skin type to work out if coconut oil is suitable for you. Wash your face with water as soon as you wake up in the morning and don't apply any other products. Wait for 4 or 5 hours and then check your skin in the mirror. If your skin has dry or red patches, this means that you have a dry skin type. However, if your face looks oily all over, this means that you have an oily skin type. Use coconut oil only if you have a very dry or very oily skin type. Look at your result from the skin type test. Coconut oil may be beneficial to your skin if it's too dry or too oily, however, it may not be useful if you have a normal or combination skin type. Do a patch test to check that coconut oil is safe for your skin. Massage a small amount of coconut oil into the inside of your arm. Wait for 72 hours and check your skin again for any signs or irritation. Part 2. Applying coconut oil to your skin. Choose cold-pressed, organic, and virgin coconut oil. This type of coconut oil is the best for treating acne because it is free from any additives that could harm your skin. Purchase the coconut oil from a grocery store, a health store or online. Steam your face first to open up your pores. Fill a bowl with steaming water. Arrange a towel so that it is draped over your head and shoulders. Lean over the bowl of steam for 3-4 minutes. Warm 1 teaspoon, 4 grams, of coconut oil up in your palms if it's in a solid state. Depending on where you live, coconut oil tends to harden to a solid during the cooler months and melt into a liquid during the warmer months. If the coconut oil is hard, scoop out a small amount and massage it in your palm to soften it. Massage 1 teaspoon, 4 grams, of coconut oil into your face for 2-3 minutes. Apply the oil to your chin, cheeks, forehead, and nose. Gently rub it into your skin using a circular motion. Wipe the coconut oil away gently with a face cloth and hot water. Rinse a clean face cloth under hot, running water and wring it out when it is saturated. Hold the face cloth over different areas of your face and let it soak up the excess coconut oil. Rinse the oil out of the face cloth as you move to a different part of your face. Wash your face with gentle cleanser. Use a natural facial cleanser or some mild soap to gently remove the rest of the coconut oil from your face. If required, wet your face again before you apply the cleanser. Apply the coconut oil to your skin every morning and night. Follow a regular routine of using coconut oil, such as every morning as soon as you get out of bed and every night just before you go to sleep. Check your skin often for signs of improvement and stop using it if it keeps resulting in breakouts. If you like my fashion makeup and hair box channel, please do subscribe to my channel.